Hi, welcome back. Today, it's the S21 review. 5G, I got it on a pre-order. I'm excited to do this review. It's the first time I'm moving over to iPhone to a Samsung. I'm going to be using it as my main phone for the next 7 days after the unboxing in order to review it properly. I feel like that gives it justification. I've got the Galaxy Buds in them as well, and the smart tags that were available on pre-order. It's a bigger resolution screen. It's got better battery, bigger battery. I don't know if that means better battery. Move on to the unboxing now. So this is it. The box is considerably smaller. I did expect a bigger box, but I guess they have eliminated a few things maybe, and that's what we're moving on to. And I'm going to move straight on to the unboxing right now, and we'll be back to talk about the phone. Okay, we're here, ready to unbox the S21 5G. Let's get to it. We're going to be using our trusted box cutter. So I have packed it well. Let's leave the coil. Let's see where it's open from. Okay, very nice. There, I've opened it. It's gone smoothly. Ooh. Drum roll. Oh, it opens from that side. Let's see how it opens. Nice and smooth. Got the Samsung logo there. You've got a bit of piece of paper here, which you can't pull out. Remember, I did do this order on a pre-order. So I ordered this when they were doing it. I'll get them one smart tag from Samsung. Let's just leave that to the side for now. The Galaxy Buds Live come with it. I'll be reviewing these as well at a later time. Look very sleek. Let me just check what this is. This is just the order I ordered, and there is the phone. Picking it up. Oh, it is very light. It's a lot lighter than I expected. Thin as well. It's a very nice box. I was expecting a bigger box. Okay, that's the box. It's got a purple S. I'm just wondering, does that have to do with the colour of the phone? I don't think you can catch it as well in person. Box is light. Now I'm just going to unseal that. Break the seals off. I will use this again. Very smooth. And now we are going for the unboxing. It's a very smooth trajectory. We do it sideways, just so you get a better view. It doesn't open that well, so I will open it. There is the phone. Very nice and smooth. Let's just get this out. There's the phone. Let's see what else is in the box. There's some documentation. The SIM tool as well. Let's see what else is in the box. Cable. The cable is a USB-C cable. And there is nothing else in the box. Let's just put that away. That's the SIM tool. Let's put that to the side. cable. That's going to the side. Good. The back, the front. Now with the front, as you can probably see, I don't know how well it is, but there are no fingerprints on it, even when you do that, which is a plus point. The back, it's a nice purple colour, is very smooth. Plastic feel though. Plastic feel, polycarbonate. Ooh, it's not, when you pay £800, it does seem like it should be a premium feel. But I have to say the plastic is very smooth. 3 cameras. It does have a 12 megapixel camera. And I think it's a 64 megapixel camera as well. It is slightly protruding. You can see that coming out now. But it's not bad. They've actually done it quite well. They've blended it with the same colour on the sides. Moving on to the side buttons, you could see the volume buttons here. Okay, there's the power button, I assume. Going across here to the bottom of the phone, that's a USB port. That would be for the insertion of the SIM card. That's the USB-C. That's for the SIM card. It's very nice. It has a premium feel. I would say that even though it is plastic, it's not. It doesn't feel cheap and tacky. It is very good feel of the phone. That's it. Let's turn it on. It's the first time I'm turning this on. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, powered by Android. It's coming up, but the first time I'm using it, as you can see, the different languages come up. I just hope that says start. Insert SIM card. It does seem quite very smooth. Let's just choose the language. Yeah, let's send some diagnostic data. Let's skip this part of the Wi-Fi for now. I'm assuming. Oh, they're saying I need a Wi-Fi, so I'll just leave it as that. But it does feel remarkably good. That was the unboxing of the Samsung S21 5G. In the box, it only had the phone, no charging block, USB-C to USB-C cable, the SIM tool, and a bit of documentation, and that's all there was. I will be reviewing this phone in approximately 7 to 10 days. I will be moving over my contacts, my WhatsApp, all the main apps that I use, from notes to work to email, and this will be my main phone for the next 7 days. I won't be using another phone in the next 7 days. I feel like that's the best way to review a phone and give it a justification for everyone. Now, if you guys or girls want me to review anything specific, or you're looking for anything specific in the phone, feel free to comment below. If you've got any questions you've got about the phones that you want answering and it's in our possession, feel free to say it in the comments below. We will try our best to cater for everything. Now, the next phone I've got is a Samsung S21 Ultra. I will be doing the unboxing as soon as I've compiled and used this for about 7 days. So look out for that. If you've got any questions for that, hit that in the comments below, or wait for the next video and you let me know the questions there. Just like to say thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.